Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you my journey of creating a full-stack web application using Firebase and React. Over time, I've been honing my front-end web development skills, and I felt it was high time to gain some valuable experience with back-end development. After researching various back-end options, I ultimately chose Firebase due to its real-time database and authentication system. This decision also presented a fantastic opportunity to polish my React Digest skills. So, without further ado, let's dive into the process. To begin with, I focused on building the fundamental structure of the web app. I started by setting up the entire system where users can add to-dos. This feature allowed me to create a seamless user experience where adding and managing tasks became a breeze. With the core functionality in place, I moved on to implementing options that allowed users to filter their to-dos based on time, such as Todos for today, Todos for this week, and all Todos. Expanding upon the Todo functionality, I integrated a robust project management system. Users could now create and organize their to-dos based on specific projects. This addition allowed for better task management and increased efficiency. To achieve this, I developed a system that enabled users to filter to-dos based on their corresponding projects. Next, I focused on enhancing the overall user experience by implementing additional features. I created functionalities that allowed users to edit to-dos, mark them as completed, set recurring tasks, and delete to-dos. I extended the same capabilities to project management, enabling users to perform similar actions on projects. Throughout this process, I ensured seamless synchronization with Firebase's Firestore, ensuring that any updates or deletions made in the app were reflected in the database. One aspect of the project that I initially found challenging but ultimately conquered was the implementation of an authentication system. I created a dedicated login page, allowing users to log in using their Google accounts. Additionally, I incorporated a user display section where the user's name and logo were prominently featured, alongside a logout button. To streamline data filtering, I established a variable to store the user's unique ID, enabling efficient management of to-dos and projects associated with that particular user. Building this full-stack web app undoubtedly came with its fair share of challenges. The authentication system in particular presented some hurdles that required me to invest considerable time and effort. I encountered errors and setbacks that temporarily broke my app, but with persistence and experimentation, I was able to overcome these obstacles. By leveraging custom hooks and diligently fetching projects from Firestore, I successfully implemented the filtering mechanism based on the user's ID. With the core functionalities implemented, it was time to give the web app a visually appealing and user-friendly interface. Drawing inspiration from the familiar operating system Windows, I opted for a window-like design. I carefully selected a color palette that resonated with the overall aesthetics and proceeded to style the website accordingly. Additionally, I prioritized making the web app responsive to ensure optimal user experience across various devices. And there you have it, my first ever full-stack web app, built with Firebase and React. This project not only allowed me to explore back-end development, but also helped me sharpen my front-end skills. The combination of Firebase's real-time database, authentication system, and React's versatility enabled me to create a robust and user-friendly web application. I hope you enjoyed following along with my journey.